Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Welcome to the channel, guys. All right, what I want to do is I'm coming back today to discuss Impact Mailing Club. You guys have seen me talk about this probably for months now. A great direct mail program that offer leads, names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home. Targeted people. Okay, that's this way you're not bugging friends and family. You don't have to worry about going to bug folks on social media, any of those things. All you need to do is mail your flyers to the leads that we give you. Okay, when these folks sign up, they will buy the lead packages directly from you. It's member to member. You're paid directly from them. You're not going to get a commission from the company. You're not going to get a check from the company, any of that. The people that join you are going to pay you directly. That's what I love about this program. Okay, and everybody needs leads. Even if, you know, I've seen people that have joined the lead program here, the club, because they have a business that they're trying to promote and they don't have people to present it to. So they come here, they get into the club, they buy the membership package, they take those leads and they promote whatever their primary business is, and that's fine too. Okay, we have people that do that, or we have folks that actually want to promote the lead packages here with Impact Mailing Club and make a commission here, because it's very simple just to mail a flyer. Okay, let me show you the flyer. This is what the flyer looks like. You're going to have your own flyer. And we simply sell lead packages, guys. I'm a lead broker, a lead affiliate. Do you realize the lead business is very popular and it's in demand? There are lead companies out here that actually sell leads. They sell them via email. You can buy email addresses of people in different niches, not just home-based business, make money from home niche, all types of niches. Mortgages, cars, houses. It's a plethora of niches. Okay, so we happen to be in the lead business of home-based business, people that's interested in making money from home. Okay, so that's what Impact Mailing Club offers. Okay, so you're able to get these leads at a discount. But you've heard me talk about this over and over and over. I've got a quick little presentation I want you to check out, okay? And it's going to explain it, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you some more results, because this program continues to produce, okay? It's not going anywhere. It is steady and stable, okay? So check this out.
Imagine walking to your mailbox and finding priority envelopes stuffed with cash and stamps. Did you know that people just like you are receiving cash and stamps delivered straight to their mailboxes, and you can too? If you can mail a letter, you can make money. No experience needed. No monthly fees. No selling or rejection. No chazzing family or friends. No meetings or conference calls. Anyone can do this. Moms, dads, and stay-at-home parents. College students, graduates, and professionals. Senior citizens and retirees can do this. It's so simple. Here's how it works. When you decide to become a member of the Impact Mailing Club, we'll provide you the leads, training, and resources for you to start mailing letters to people that are interested in making money from home, just like you. You simply mail your letter along with your personalized order forms. Whenever any of your mailing leads decides to also become a member, you will receive unlimited cash commissions of $65 up to $1,000 for each referral and stamp sent directly to you. That's it. This program is simple, easy, affordable, and very lucrative. Check out our membership plans. Emerald membership costs $100 plus 2 books of stamps. For every referral, you will receive $65 commissions. This membership plan also includes 100 high-quality leads. Ruby membership costs $250 plus 4 books of stamps. For every referral, you will receive $150 and $65 commissions, plus 200 high-quality mailing leads. Our most popular membership plan, Sapphire, Costs $500 plus 4 books of stamps for every referral. You will receive unlimited $300, $150, and $65 commissions sent straight to you, priority mail. You'll also be provided with 400 high-quality mailing leads. Highly recommended for maximum income potential is our Diamond membership plan. Costs $2,000 plus 5 books of stamps for every referral. You will receive unlimited $1,000, $300, $150, and $65 commissions sent straight to you, priority mail. Impact Mailing Club will also provide you with 1,000 high-quality mailing leads. How will you use your mailbox cash? Travel, savings, wedding, emergency fund, eliminate debt, start a business, donate to charities, pay off your mortgage or car, medication or medical research, college tuition or student loans. It's your cash, use it as you please. Impact Mailing Club is a family-owned direct mail lead generating program that helps people just make money from home, simply by mailing letters. When you become a member of Impact Mailing Club today, you'll receive these benefits and much, much more. Welcome package and guide. Access to our exclusive mailing community on Facebook. Exclusive invites to exciting company events around the USA. 5-star customer support team. Unlimited opportunity for growth and income. Peel and stick label mailing leads. Our support team will assist you in closing sales. Fast and reliable delivery times with tracking numbers. Exclusive members discount to purchase mailing leads. Ready to claim your unlimited cash commissions of $65, $150, $300, and $1,000? Simply click the button below, choose the membership plan. That's right for you. Download the order form and follow the simple instructions.
All right. Okay, so that's basically Impact Mailing Club in a nutshell, guys. Okay, so let me just show you real quick what the leads look like. I use the what are these? The Office Depot labels. Okay, and you can see I've got some leads in here. I'm just going to show you. I don't want to displace anyone's information, so this is what they look like. They come on peel and stick labels. I've got lots of these, thousands of these leads, because I do give my team, anyone that joins me in Impact, I also match what the company's giving you. Okay, so peel and stick label leads. Okay, so every business needs leads, and we have targeted leads for the home-based business niche. All right, so that's pretty much it. So if you're interested in something like that, mailing flyers, okay, to the leads we give you, so you don't have to worry about looking for people to mail to. Your lead package comes with leads, because that's what you're buying, leads. Okay, so with that being said, I want to show you some more results from some lead packages that I have sold. Okay, so check it out. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then I have an electronic one I want to show you, because you can receive your payments how you want, guys. You can receive them money order, cash app. It's up to you how you want to receive them. This is your business. Okay, you're a lead broker. So I have an electronic one. Let me show you that one first. Okay, check it out here. This came from Kimberly. It was $322. And why was it $322? Because, and she even stated here, for the diamond level, she bumped up to the diamond. She joined as a sapphire, and she got the free bump up because they had a promotion. So I actually earned $300 commissions, but because she sent it electronically, I still have to receive the stamps. So she paid the value of the stamps. Stamps are $11 per book. She owed me 2 books, so that's $22. So she actually sent $322. Okay, that's an electronic payment. You can receive those as well. Now let me show you some of the ones I received directly in the mail. Okay, I got my handy dandy scissors. Okay, we're going to do this one. Go through these rather quickly. Okay, here's this one. They didn't have mail it priority. Okay, so this is how I have it. Okay, I got some stamps, as you can see right here. Okay, and I received a money order. This is $20, so that tells me that my team actually did some work. I love these. Okay, Quintandra. Okay, Quintandra. Congratulations. I want to shout her out. This is another sale that my team is making for me. I'm getting paid too. She's getting paid. I'm getting paid. So I got 20 bucks from one of Quintandra's members. And I'm going to cover up her information. Okay. I'm just going to show you. $20. Okay. So that's one of Quintandra's members. Congratulations. All right. Thank you. The team is working. I love it. Another one. Okay. All right. Let's see. We have in this one. Another one. 20 bucks, guys. When I make $20, that means my team is working. Okay. That's Quintandra again. Congratulations, Quintandra is working this business. Okay, she is working this business. One of her folks just mailed in another payment. I can't show you at the bottom down here because it's going to display her information. But here's the stamps. And Quintandra, I'm going to show you this real quick. Let's see if we can cover this up. And you'll just see Quintandra is in box 1. I'm in box 2. You see that? So that's my team. Okay? That's not my sale. It's Quintandra. So thanks, Quintandra, for another referral and more stamps. All right, guys. Let's keep going. Now I've got this package here. Priority mail. Beatrice. It's from someone named Beatrice out of Arkansas. Okay, I'm just going to tear it. She's got these little sticker things on here. Okay. Okay. It's got a magazine in here. Okay. Quintandra again. Okay, Quintandra, congratulations. I got another 20 from you. You are working this business. You go, girl. Let me show you guys. Okay, and I got some stamps. Okay. So let me show you. I'm going to cover up the bottom of this stuff. But this is her letter with me in box 2. I love it. You see that? That's Quintandra again. You see? Box 1. Let me move my fingers out the way. Look at that. Quintandra is working it. Welcome aboard to her new person, Beatrice. Quintandra, that's another 20 bucks from my team. Okay? That's awesome. I love it. So you see this works. I know you guys have seen me make money, but that's from my team. Okay? Here's another one. Okay. Mr. Ricky out of New Jersey. Now, I spoke to Mr. Ricky. He joined, I know the Sapphire because he contacted me. So I know this is going to be one of my deals. Okay. All right. He got me some stamps. Thank you, Mr. Ricky. See my stamps, guys? Okay. And he's got it in this little paper. And I'm going to show you what he says on here. Oh, here we go. All 20s. All 20s. Thank you, Mr. Ricky. That's 300 bucks, guys. 100. 200. 300. In 20s. Now, I'm going to show you without showing information. He put it on this paper. He didn't have the form. But I'm going to show you what he said up here at the top. We'll cover this up so I don't display anybody's information. Okay? But this is a sheet of notebook paper. Okay? And he just filled it out just like an order form. And he put up here, look at this, Sapphire Free Diamond promo. See that? Okay. So that's what he did. So this was another promo. He got bumped up to the diamond level. I'll tell you guys, people are joining this program. Okay. So with that being said, as you can see, this works. My team is working it. I'm getting $20 commissions. Thank you so much, guys. I look forward to working with you. I highly recommend this program if you're interested in mailing flyers. Simple and easy. I'm going to match whatever package you come in at. I'm going to send you that same amount of leads. Okay. So with that being said, Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos. See you on the next video. You guys be blessed out there. All right.